Hi, if you could please like, subscribe, and share to this video, I would appreciate it. Thank you. Enjoy the video. Bye. Hey everybody, how are you today? It is Monday, all day, right? It is 12 o'clock here in St. Louis. It is hot, it is humid. It is a typical summer day in St. Louis. So with stating that, let's move right along. Let's talk about the weekend. Let's catch up. We haven't had a catch up Monday in a while. So here's the tea. Ready? I am trying to get to, on Wednesday, my weigh-in, I am trying to get to that 20-pound mark. So hopefully I will be able to do that. I am down 17, right? So I only have 3 pounds left to go. 3. So I have been really trying hard to be able to get that accomplished. So yesterday was Father's Day. That was like a no bueno day for me. First Father's Day without my dad. Kind of stung a little bit. I haven't spent, like last year I didn't spend Father's Day with him, but I talked to him. I miss hearing his voice yesterday. Anyway, I want to wish all of you out there who are fathers and grandfathers, I hope you guys had a fantastic day yesterday. I hope that you got to spend lots of time with your family, with your kids, your grandkids. I'm sure it was a very special day for you all. So I did absolutely, positively nothing yesterday. I did not leave the house. I did some cooking. I was going to clean. I was going to have all kinds of aspirations I was going to do. I was going to cook. I was going to clean. I was going to do laundry. I was going to do this. I was going to do that. I got laundry done this morning. It actually had just kicked off, so I got to go switch it over to the dryer. And I did make some chicken salad, and I did make taco salad. So let me show you exactly what I made yesterday, and then we'll talk about it. So here we go. You ready? Right here. Hey everyone, so I could not get my pictures to upload for this. So basically I just took a cup of Greek non-fat yogurt, 1/4 cup of mayo, a teaspoon of dill, salt and pepper to your tasting. And I sat that inside the refrigerator, let it get cold. I shredded my chicken, apple, grapes, onions, celery, and then mixed it all together. So there you have it. Okay, so that is what I made. The first part was the tacos. So as you've seen, I had black beans, I had some lettuce, tomatoes, and the other black thing was olives that I had on there, and cheese. So that was my salad. And then I had, the meat was ground chicken. So that was the taco salads that I had. I also had that for lunch on Saturday. So, and then I had I made chicken salad. So on the chicken salad, I used a cup of non-fat Greek yogurt. I used 1/4 cup of regular mayonnaise, and I used dill weed, probably about a teaspoon, maybe, yeah, it's probably about a little more. And I used a couple of shakes of the ranch dressing seasoning. I used that in there, salt and pepper. And then on the little cut up board, I had my chicken, I had onion, I had apples, I had grapes, and celery. So that was what I made for my dinner last night. And it's going to end up being lunch today too, because I've not eaten anything today. I had nothing. Yesterday for breakfast, I had oatmeal and a piece of toast. So, and then in between the time, I had a cup of hot tea, and I had some watermelon, and I had just some grapes. So that's what I had all day yesterday. Saturday, I woke up, I had 2 eggs and a piece of toast. Then I came home from lunch and I had the tacos. Well, actually, yeah, it was taco salad that I had Saturday. And then Saturday night for dinner, I just had like lettuce. I just had like a regular salad, just lettuce, tomatoes with some onions, and that was pretty much it. So today I have had nothing yet because it is like 12 o'clock. So I have not gotten any lunch yet or breakfast. So I'm going to do that. And then for dinner, I took out a steak. It's a sirloin steak, so it's non-fat. There's no fat on it. So I'm going to put that in the air fryer. So I'm going to have a steak and I'm going to have some green beans and a salad for my dinner. And for lunch, I'm going to have some chicken salad and a salad and some cottage cheese. So that is where I'm at for the day. Like I said, I am trying really hard to see if I can get 3 pounds down so I can hit that 20-pound mark. I'm hoping. So I am in the midst of trying to get my days to where I can wake up in the morning time and have some energy. Right now, I have no energy. I have none. Like, I get home from work and all I want to do is just sit in the recliner. I need to be putting Buddy on a leash and him and I need to be walking. So I'm just going to have to push myself. But the energy level is zilch. I don't know if it's like I'm moving into a little depression. I don't know if it is, I don't know what it is, but I am telling you what, I got to shake this off. You know, in the South, where my family is from, this is the suck it up buttercup. So this buttercup's got to suck it up. So I need to move on, get over, you know, the past is in the past, but that past keeps coming in and it still keeps wanting to bite me a little bit. It's hard. Breakups are hard for me. They really are. Well, so I need to let it all go. And, you know, I think a lot of it, the emotion is coming also just because I'm missing my dad. So with stating that, I got to move forward. Now, this is a question I asked myself today. Can I lose 10 more pounds, right? 10 more pounds by July 13th. I have a wedding to go to on July 13th. Anybody want to be my date? I need a date for the wedding. Anyway, July 13th, my cousin's getting married, so I really would like to be down 10 pounds. Now, I ordered a dress from Shein. Actually, I ordered 2 dresses. I ordered one that looked like it was like a little, maybe, I don't know. It's hard to tell with Shein because you never know what you're going to get, right? You never, ever know. So, I ordered one dress, and are you ready? It was $4.97. I ordered a second dress, and that dress was $6.98, I think. It was something like that. So we'll see. Hopefully they get here. Sometimes it depends on where they're coming from, if they get here on time or not. So hopefully they will get here on time. I don't know. But we'll see. So if I could lose 10 more pounds by the wedding, I think the dresses would fit better. That, and I need some Spanx or something, right? So we'll see what happens with that. That's my goal, y'all. That is my goal, is 10 pounds from today, June the 17th. Let's mark our calendars, June the 17th till July the 13th. So I have a goal in mind, so that's good, right? Got to be aware, got to make a goal, have to fill that goal, have to get the action implemented. So we have it all. We have the goal set, we have what we're going to be doing. I am going to be striving for it. So it's already in my mind. What goes into the brain becomes reality. You can make it happen, right? I'm going to make it happen. I'm going to make it happen. Wednesday, I'm hoping that I'm going to make it happen, that I'm that 20 pounds down. 3 more pounds, 3 more. That's it. Three. What is 3 pounds? It's a lot. So hopefully I'll be able to get that done. I really am enjoying this little journey. I truly am. I am happy that my friend talked me into doing this channel because I'm actually documenting. So I'm actually going to be able to see myself going down, right? Now, I'm almost done with that chair aerobics for the days, so I'm going to be switching, and I have to figure out which one I'm going to go to. I do want to get a little more advanced. I need lots of help in my leg area as far as like the muscle and the tissue and all that goes. I need help in my legs. So I'm definitely going to choose something that is going to be a little more stressful. I'm not running a marathon. I'm not going into bodybuilding, but I am hoping that I can get this to where I am getting toner and I'm getting more of my figure back, right? Need that waist. I want that waist back. So that is what I'm going to be working on, and I am going to start that program. I'm going to choose it tonight, I think, and then I'm just going to go ahead and jump on into it tomorrow, and then I will keep you informed on what I'm doing. I would film it, but I am just way too embarrassed to film what I'm actually doing, how I'm doing that, because I'm just so unsure about myself when it comes to the exercise part. So we'll see if I get daring, if I can, maybe do one here and there. Who knows? Also, I'm hoping to be able to empty my freezer. So I looked in my freezer. I don't have to do any shopping for about a week or two. I have enough meat in there that is going to last me. The only thing I'll have to buy is like lettuce and tomatoes, things like that, the produce part of it, and maybe some fruits. So that should be good, right? But we'll see. You saw what I made, and that was just 2 chicken breasts that made my chicken salad, and then the shredded taco salad, and then I also had some ground taco meat. So those things are all, those chicken breasts are so huge, and then I shred it up, so it is what it is. It lasts for a minute or two. And I am still in love with Weight Watchers. I love how my body responds to their program. So I am so happy to say that I just feel that this is so much easier for me than what it was counting calories. And I know everybody has their own niche. Everybody has what works best for them. I'm not eating a lot of breads and trying to stay away from starches. So like I might have 1 piece of bread a day. And as far as the starch goes, I'm really not looking at what I'm eating as far as starches, but I can tell you, I'm not even really eating like corn or peas or any of the starchier vegetables. Beans, like black beans, that's about the only, but that's more protein, I think, than it is starch. I'm not sure. But so I'm really trying to this week stay away from all of it. Like I said, I might have a piece of bread maybe in the mornings if I'm having an egg. But for the most part, I'm going to try to stay away from the starches this week and try to watch it. Try to drink more water, because we all know water flushes out the fat, right? We can have the fat breaking down, but if we don't have something to give it that oomph to get that out of our body, it's going to just kind of remain there and it's going to gradually go out. So the more water you drink, the more you're flushing. So that is my wise word of the day. more water, more water, more water. All right, everybody. I am going to get off of here. I am going to go do what I need to do. And you know what? I'm going to go make some lunch because I'm getting hungry now that it is almost 12:15. And I haven't eaten anything. So everybody take care. I will see you soon. And here is to positive thinking, positive thinking. And here's to all of us getting off 1 to 3 or more pounds this week. All right. Take care. Talk to you soon. Mwah. Bye.